Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive Limited. Today, we will be talking about brake pad and how it works. What is a brake pad? Brake pads are a component of disc brakes used in automotive and other applications. Brake pads are composed of steel backing plates with friction material bound to the surface that faces the disc brake rotors. Functions of brake pad. By friction, brake pads convert a vehicle's kinetic energy into thermal energy in the brake. Two brake pads are positioned with their friction surfaces directed toward the rotor. The hydraulic caliper compresses or squeezes the two brake pads against the rotating rotor to slow down and stop the car when the brakes are engaged. A dull gray coating is left on the disc as a result of the friction material from the brake pad being transferred onto the disc in small amounts as it heats up in contact with the rotor. Due to the application of friction material to both the brake pad and disc, friction is created between them that stops the car. The vital role that brake pads play in vehicle safety. When it comes to the safety of your vehicle, there are a few components as crucial as the brake pads. Think of them as the underrated heroes of your braking system, functioning as the front line of defense against accidents. These small but mighty parts are vital in ensuring that your brakes work effectively. When you press the brake pedal, the brake pads exert pressure on the brake rotors, generating friction between the surface of the brake pads and the rotors. By creating friction, brake pads help convert the kinetic energy of your moving vehicle into heat energy, allowing it to come to a stop. This frictional force is what gives you control and ensures that your car stops when needed. Types of brake pads. There are 4 types of brake pads. 1. Semi-metallic. These brake pads are 30 to 65% metal and are considered to be very durable, according to Cars Direct. These brake pads may also not function well in extreme, low temperatures. AutoAnything says these brake pads are less expensive and easier on the rotors than ceramic brake pads, but that they are louder and do not last as long as ceramics, according to Autos.com. These brake pads are generally used on high-performance and race cars. 2. Ceramic. These brake pads are generally the most expensive, but are cleaner and produce less noise than other materials. Ceramic brake pads last longer than semi-metallics as well. Autos.com says ceramics outperform organic pads. 3. Low metallic. Non-asbestos organic. Now, these brake pads are known to be noisy and to let off a lot of brake dust. However, according to brake masters, the copper or steel that is used in these pads helps with heat transfer and braking. 4. Non-asbestos organic. These brake pads are generally made from organic materials including fiber, glass, rubber, and Kevlar. These pads are pretty quiet but can wear faster and produce a lot of brake dust. Importance of high-quality brake pads. Now that you understand the function of brake pads, it's crucial to recognize the significance of using high-quality ones. Investing in top-notch brake pads can make a significant difference in your vehicle's performance and safety on the road. High-quality pads offer 1. Enhanced stopping power. You'll get superior performance, allowing you to stop your vehicle more efficiently. This increased stopping power can be particularly crucial in emergency situations, where every second counts. 2. Durability. Cheap or low-quality brake pads can wear down quickly, leading to decreased performance and potentially compromising your safety. Opting for high-quality brake pads ensures that they have the durability to withstand the demands of daily driving and provide consistent braking performance. 3. Reduce noise and vibration. Inferior brake pads can generate annoying squealing or grinding noises when braking. High-quality brake pads are designed to minimize noise and vibration, providing a smoother and more comfortable driving experience. 4. Longer lifespan. Investing in high-quality brake pads can save you money in the long run. While they may have a higher initial cost, their extended lifespan means you won't have to replace them as frequently, reducing maintenance expenses on brake pad replacement. 5. Compatibility and performance. Manufacturers design high-quality brake pads to meet the specific requirements of your vehicle. This ensures optimal compatibility and performance, allowing your brakes to function at their best. Warning signs that you may be overdue for brake pad replacement. Loud noises coming from your brakes are one of the most common and most noticeable indicators that it's probably time for brake pad replacement. But here are a couple of other warning signs you should also be aware of. 1. Vibration or pulsation in the brake pedal. If you feel a vibration or pulsation in the brake pedal when pressing it, this could indicate that your brake pads are worn unevenly or have developed deposits on the surface. When this happens, the brake pads cannot provide a consistent grip on the rotor, leading to the pulsation sensation. If you experience this symptom, visit your local brake shop ASAP to have your brake pads inspected and replaced if necessary. 2. The vehicle is pulling to one side when braking when your brake pads wear unevenly. It can result in your vehicle noticeably pulling to one side when you apply the brakes. This can lead to a decrease in how well your vehicle handles, resulting in decreased braking performance. If you find yourself having to press the brake pedal harder, or if your vehicle takes longer to stop, it's time to have your brake pads inspected. By paying attention to these signs of worn-out brake pads, you can ensure that your vehicle remains safe on the road. Remember, it's always better to address brake pad issues early on to prevent further damage to your brake system. When to replace brake pads. As mentioned above, brake pads play a crucial role in ensuring effective braking performance by providing the necessary friction to bring your car to a safe stop, but, unfortunately, they don't last forever. Over time, the friction material wears out and compromises your ability to stop safely. You don't want to wait until it's too late to perform the necessary maintenance on your brake system. So knowing when to replace your brake pads is essential for maintaining optimal braking performance and preventing jeopardizing the safety of your vehicle. To get any original car part anywhere in Nigeria, please visit www.kamsiparts.com.